Hello everyone. I am a senior high school student from BWS, and today I am going to teach you on how to solve in operations of functions. But first, in this lesson, we are going to need the different operations on functions. These are the sum, the difference, the product, the quotient, and the product of a constant and a function. The processes on how we perform the different operations on algebraic expressions are to be applied to perform the said operations. Let's start with the first rule, the sum of two functions. Find f plus g of x, where f of x is equals to 5x plus 6 and g of x is equals to 3x squared minus 4x plus 8. In order to find the answer, first, we have to write down the equation based on the given. So it will be f of x plus g of x. Then the next step is to substitute the given values of the functions to the equation. That would mean that f of x will become 5x plus 6 plus g of x, which is 3x squared minus 4x plus 8. Then we finally simplify the values to get the final answer. So 5x plus 6 plus 3x squared minus 4x plus 8 becomes 3x squared plus 5x minus 4x plus 6 plus 8. Then combine like terms and the final answer is 3x squared plus x plus 14. For the second rule, the difference of two functions, we are going to use the same problem as the first one. F of x as 5x plus 6 and g of x as 3x squared minus 4x plus 8. But we are going to use the equation f minus x of g instead. Just like the first example, we will write down the equation based on the given, which will be f of x minus g of x. Next, we substitute the given values of the function to the equation, making it 5x plus 6 minus 3x squared minus 4x plus 8. And the final step is to simplify, meaning it would be 5x plus 6 minus 3x squared plus 4x minus 8. Then combine like terms, and then the final answer will be negative 3x squared plus 9x minus 2. Now for the third operation of function rule, the product of two functions. The example that we are going to give is f times g of x, where f of x is equals to x minus 3 and g of x is equals to x plus 11. Just like before, write down the equation based on the given. So it will be f of x times g of x. Next step is to substitute the given values of the function to the equation. The equation will become x minus 3 times x plus 11. The final step is to multiply and simplify the equation to get its final answer. In order to find the answer, we must apply the FOIL method where x minus 3 times x plus 11 becomes x squared plus 11x minus 3x plus 33. Then finally, combine like terms and it will become x squared plus 8x plus 33. For the fourth rule, the quotient of two functions. Example is f over g of x, where f of x is equals to x squared minus 6x plus 9, and g of x is equals to x minus 3. First step is to write down the equation based on the given functions, so it will become f of x over g of x. Second step is to substitute the given values of the functions to the equation. That would mean that the equation will become x squared minus 6x plus 9 all over x minus 3. Finally, simplify the equation. Since the numerator is a trinomial and the denominator is a binomial, we have to try and make the numerator a binomial to simplify, making x squared minus 6x plus 9 into x minus 3 squared over x minus 3. And then simply divide, and the answer is x minus 3 over 1 or x minus 3. Lastly, the fifth rule, the product of a constant and a function. The example we are going to give is negative 5 times f times x. So f of x is equals to 5x plus 1. First step is to write down the equation based on the given function. So make negative 5 times f times x into negative 5 times f of x. Second step is to substitute the given value of the function to the equation, making negative 5 times f of x into negative 5 times 5x plus 1. Last step is to simplify the equation, which means negative 5 times 5x plus 1 becomes negative 5 times 5x plus negative 5 times 1. Then the final answer is negative 25x minus 5.